It's not very rare that you wake up and see that Tesla's stock is up, and it's bringing other electric car makers with it, like NIO or Nikola. But what exactly is happening? Are electric vehicles really worth it? Are they worth your investment? Or is this all just a hype? Invest the next few minutes of your time with the Teenage Investor and find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to another very exciting video. Today we're going to be talking about electric vehicles and why their stock is on an upswing. But before we do that, let's understand why electric cars are so popular and what the motivation is behind buying one besides the cool factor. Let's say you and your neighbor went car shopping with a budget of $50,000. You decide to buy a 2020 Tesla Model 3 for $48,990. Your neighbor decided to buy a 2020 Mercedes-Benz C-Class for $48,900. The cost of ownership of your neighbor's car is $9,122 per year. Compare that to the cost of ownership of your car, which is $630 per year. That's a huge difference. Tesla is currently dominating the electric vehicle market, but other car manufacturers are slowly catching up. For example, BMW just announced their fully electric sports car, BMW i4, which will be released in 4 to 5 months. It will have 373 miles of range and will cost just around the same as a Tesla Model 3. At this point, if you want to buy an electric car, Tesla is your go-to option. But with 10 brand new electric cars announced to release in 2021, car manufacturers like Audi, BMW, and Mercedes are slowly catching up by bringing their own fully electric, sporty-looking cars to the electric vehicle market. Recently, Tesla's market cap reached a whopping $237 billion. That's more than BMW, Honda, GM, Ford, and Nissan combined. Yet still only 2% of cars in America today are electric. Why did this happen? Well, I think people are investing in a promise. Estimates show that by 2030, the total amount of electric cars on the road will grow from 5 million to 125 million. In fact, some estimates show that it will grow to 500 million by 2040. Since Tesla is your go-to option for electric vehicles, these staggering predictions have led to Tesla stock skyrocketing. Now let's talk about another electric car producing company called NIO. NIO is a Chinese electric car making company that was founded in 2014. They were not very well known until very recently, where they announced their fully electric SUV called the EC6, which is a direct competitor to the Tesla Model X. In 6 months, their share price went from $4 to $13. On the other hand, there's Nikola, which just by the name you can tell is a Tesla competitor. Get it? Unlike the other two, their vehicles are not in production yet. They plan to make fully electric trucks, which will be available for pre-order. So all of this begs the question, is this sector hyped? Well, yes, I think currently this sector is overhyped, but at the same time, I think sooner or later, every investor will have an electric car maker stock in their portfolio. This market has such a huge potential to grow, even though this might not be the best time to get in. Here are the 2 cents from the Teenage Investor Desk. If you've not been thinking about getting into the sector, please educate yourself. Like I said in my first video, patience is a virtue when it comes to investing. I think you should look for the right opportunity and get a position in this sector. Electric cars are the future and you don't want to miss it. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe because more content will be coming your way very soon. Also, please remember that COVID-19 is still a pandemic, so this is no time to drop our guards. Please continue to stay safe. This is your Teenage Investor, signing off.